this is the last video I'm going to make today. As I say, I'm going to try and discipline myself to be a little bit more regular. Kind of, it was a couple of months ago, I was like, oh, I'll make regular videos, and I haven't done that. So just life gets in the way sometimes. But and also my enthusiasm, I suppose, has been a bit low. Just kind of had a big couple of years this last few years. Got married and a couple of other things happened. So just I've been kind of like, my brain is kind of switched off a little bit. And also I suppose I'm a little bit despondent with the way things are going in terms of like the Mayo Gaeltacht, and it seems like no one cares if it dies in Mayo. Which are certainly not, maybe some people do, but which is an awful shame, because it's a part of our heritage. And as someone not from Mayo, I was born in Roscommon, Sligo, wherever you want to pick. It's like, it's a part of my heritage as well, so that's why I'm kind of preserve it. And I would rather not be the person making these videos. I would rather I can think about 5 or 6 people who are far more fluent, far more knowledgeable than me, that could make videos like this. But obviously not everybody maybe feels, not everybody has the hubris that I have to put their ugly sunburnt mug out in front of the public, if you can call this the public. I also want to say, I what I'm thinking about doing is maybe doing a live thing. I'm not very good at the YouTube thing. I'm not very good at social media. I'm not very big into influencing or any of that kind of thing. As some people were saying to me before, if you want to set up Patreon, I'd love to pay for lessons or whatever. I'm kind of erring away from that, and I have for the last while, because I sort of don't like taking money off people for their own heritage, and which I suppose is quite a naive outlook, but it's kind of how I feel. I don't want to be exploiting people. I'm not saying that people who teach online are exploiting, but I would feel like I'd be exploiting, because I wouldn't have I'm too scatwy, as I'd say. I'm too distracted to commit to some things, and I wouldn't want to be taking money off people and then not giving them something back for their value for money. If it gets to the stage that I can make things a bit more regular, then maybe I might do something like that. But I also want to say, I'm hoping to do a live, maybe do a live broadcast if people are interested in that, and they could ask questions. They could ask my own experience in learning and what aspects are the most difficult that I found, or any advice, and maybe just my own, just have a chat. Gaelic is half English and Irish. And I also want to thank, there's a couple of people who have come up to me over the last few weeks. A guy called Thomas the other day, who's teaching me on craoladh, the craoladh, and a guy called Paul, who lives over in Manchester, from Balladreen. You were lovely.